In this video, I will demonstrate to you how to create your smart contract for your C20 tokens and how to create Crowdsale the app to sell these tokens to your audience. And first of all, you need to open lab CryptoDo.app website and click Connect Wallet. Next, choose a wallet and sign the message in your wallet. It's just for authorization here on our website. Next, you'll see the CryptoDo dashboard, and here you can see your smart contracts which you created, and here you can click Create Contract button and start building your first day app. And in this section, you need to choose a contract type. For example, your C20 tokens. Read some brief information about it, and next click OK. Choose a network. For example, BNB chain. Click Proceed, and next fill out a simple form. For example, test token with TST ticker 10 decimals and 1 mil supply. Next, you need to choose the contract functions which you want to add to your contract, but I just recommend to add a burn-in function to be able to burn and reduce total supply. And next, you can change initial owner if you want, but if not, anyway. In which stage you can test your contract in a testnet by deployment, or you can just start with a mainnet. And if you don't have a faucet test BNB, you can click send me funds and get free BNB to test in your contract in a testnet in a test area. And we'll test it in a testnet. Click post to testnet, proceed, and next waiting for completion, deployment, and verification of the contract. Here I need to click confirm and waiting for deployment, maybe 30 seconds. Deployment is ready, and now it is a verification stage. Now our smart contract successfully created and verified on a chosen network, and we can see it in our dashboard of a smart contract, and we can post it to a mainnet, see some details about it, or just check it in a best test con. And here you can see the transaction of the deployment, and here you can see the contract source code and functions. For example, burn and burn from is a function which you add during the creation process. Next, you can come back to the CryptoDo dashboard, click this token contract address, and if you want, for example, to make a crowd sale to maybe initial coin offering or some kind of press sale, you can just choose a crowd sale ICO type of contract, read some brief information about it, click OK, choose the same network where you deploy your token, click Proceed, and next fill out this form and choose the contract function. In this section, you need to put your token contract address, and which we just created in a previous stage. Next, fill out contract name, for example, test sale. Next, we can choose price for this token in BNB, or purchase this token using our token, for example, USDT. But BNB for me is totally fine. And now I will put the price. I'll make it small to demonstrate how it works in a user interface. Next, fill out minimal number of tokens to purchase, for example, 1 maximum per wallet, for example, this amount fund receiver. I can copy this address because it's my initial owner, and sales date, for example, from today to June 1st. And next is the most interesting part, customization of the smart contract. And here you can add, for example, a referral program and fill out a referral percent, for example, 10. And it means that your users will be able to copy their referral link and share this link with their partners. And after each purchase, they will get 10% of a referral reward. Next, you can add whitelist, for example, if you want to make the sale available only for your chosen wallets. Next, you can see, for example, you can create vesting for a contract. It can be custom unlock, and here you can add a custom date, for example, 18, 19, etc. But I recommend you to make a daily unlock, for example, 10 days cliff and 100 days linear vesting, when every day will unlock 1% of your purchase tokens. And next, Crowdsale UI is the most interesting part because here you can create and customize your own user interface for this contract and fill out this form, test sale, I think the same. Okay, it doesn't matter, we can fill whatever we want, and we can also add the links here. Next, I'll add this one. Next, choose a hard cap and soft cap. I think 1 is enough for a test. And next, add your social media networks which you want to add to your contract. And next, you have the same choice, post it into a testnet or to a mainnet, and I recommend always test it first before deployment into production. And next, we click post to testnet, proceed, and waiting for compilation, deployment, and verification. Sign the transaction of deployment, and while I'm waiting, I can explain you what it will be totally your property. CryptoDo doesn't own this contract, and you'll be the creator and you'll be the owner of this contract with full right. And CryptoDo side will not have any, possibilities to change anything on your contract because it's your property. And now our contract is successfully created, and you can see your Crowdsale contract here, and you can also post it to mainnet or view an explorer, and here you can go to, for example, open this contract and deposit some tokens to this contract, for example, 10, let's 1 mil of the tokens, click deposit, sign a transaction of approval, first of all, and next depositing. Approve is ready, and now confirm deposit transaction. Because you just cannot sell your token until you put these tokens, transfer these tokens to a contract, and you cannot just transfer it because contract will not understand what you send the tokens to him, but you need to deposit it using this contract function. Transaction is successful, and now you can see withdraw token function. You can do it or withdraw funds. It's the function where you, when your contract will be successful and you'll earn some money, you can click on this button and withdraw your funds. And here you can click go to UI button, and here you can see your contract. This is a logo, a status, name, description, countdown with all the information, price with conversion in dollars. Here you can purchase the tokens. Here you can see some information about your sale, about your token, and the referral link. And in the bottom of the site, you can see your social media links, and it's completely your page, and it's connected with a smart contract. And your user, you can just send the link to this page to your audience, and we will be able to purchase. For example, let's purchase 100 tokens. Click buy, confirm, and now we will see what these tokens appears here. Great. Now we can see what we purchased 100 tokens. Claimable amount for now it's 0 because we put 10 days vesting, and now it's 17 or 18 May, and 28 May it will be available for you to claim 1 tokens, and next every day 1 token during the 100 days vesting period. And everything's work brilliant, and now I can see also how it works with a larger amount. Okay, for example, for $5, let's test it. Perfect. Now we can see what we already have more tokens on our balance, and more tokens to claim on a daily basis. So, but it's not whole functionality of CryptoDo, and you can do much more with our service. For example, you can create deflationary token with additional features, NFT collection, ERC 721, DAO to manage it, blockchain lottery, multi-signature wallet, multi-signature smart contract to manage your contracts, airdrop, multi-sending, vesting solution for your audience, staking, for example, and everything's work at the same way. For example, in staking, you'll fill out this form, choose staking tiers with amount of days, API for this tier, and penalty, and you can add this tier tariff, and you can add it as much as you want. You can choose claim and reward in process or when it finished. You can add staking UI with the same data, and it will be also working like I demonstrated to you with CryptoDo Crowdsale. But let's try to find some staking UI. And here we can see staking UI, your project name, etc., and staking information, tiers, my unstakes, this amount of tokens I already received during the stake, and I can claim it if I want. Yeah, now I already received it to my wallet, and I can check. Everything's work in the same way. You can also click to staking, to deposit, withdraw tokens or withdraw funds, and here you can also see the source code of your contract, and it just worked great. And I'm really, a big fan of this technology, and I really recommend you to play with it and try to create your first day app right now.